This video discusses the linear layout in Android. So, what is a linear layout? Linear layout is a view group in Android that arranges child views in a vertical or horizontal fashion. It is of two types. First, the vertical linear layout. It arranges the children vertically, that is, one below another. And second, the horizontal linear layout, which places children horizontally. Let's try them out in code. I've created a project. Let's start by adding linear layout and two children. Don't forget the orientation attribute. It decided whether to place children vertically or horizontally. It is horizontal by default. A background for easier identification. There we go. Two children vertically placed. If linear layout was not there, they would have overlapped. Let's try changing the orientation. The views are now horizontally placed. Usually, there are complex structures and a single linear layout is not enough. You need to nest multiple ones. Let's try it in our project. Let's add a new linear layout as a parent of current one. The old linear layout is now a child of the new linear layout. Let's add another text view child. Oops, we forgot the orientation attribute for the new linear layout. It assumed it to be horizontal as default. Let's change it. Bingo. But perhaps we can try utilizing the unused space to make it look nice. For that, we need weights. Weights are basically used to give equal or whatever % you wish of parent's width or height. Let's go back to the code and try it. It's preferred to set width or height to 0 if you are giving a weight. Let's add the weights now. The parent linear layout sums all weights and distributes its width according to it. We have 1 plus 1 equals 2 parts of the parent. 1 part to line 1 and 1 part to line 2. Let's try changing the weight values. Now the linear layout is divided in 2 plus 1 equals 3 equal parts. 2 parts for line 1 and 1 part for line 2. You can use any value that suits you best. Weighted linear layout. First place the non-weighted views, and distribute the remaining space on weighted views. Let's try it in outer linear layout. Let's make the line 3 little bigger first. Parent's height should be match parent, otherwise weight will have no effect as parent doesn't have extra space to distribute with wrap content. Line 3 will have its fixed height, and let's give the linear layout a weight to make it occupy all remaining space. Children didn't extend as they were set to wrap content. Let's change it. Looks better. Let's try giving line 3 a weight too. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment your queries, and subscribe for more such videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching.